How to make self-drawing animated circles. To begin, I added a colored background to my timeline and I would like to create an animated circle. First, go to Graphics and Titles, New Layer, Ellipse. Then go to Effect Controls, expand the shape, and uncheck the Fill property and check the Stroke property and set the stroke width to 20. Now go to Effects panel and search for Clock Wipe. Drag and drop Clock Wipe effect into the beginning of the circle layer. Now our circle is not drawing very well. To fix that, double-click on the circle in Preview window and position it at the center of the preview. To speed up the transition, drag the end of the transition to the left. I want to reposition my circle, but I cannot do that. To do that, right-click in your circle in Timeline and select Nest. Now I can double-click on the circle in Preview window and reposition it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.